Good morning, sir. Are you James McEwen?
I am.
And Mr. Smith, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
He did.
Mr. McEwen, in cause number 25, DCCR 1186, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of theft of property from December 5th of 2024. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you did what they charged you with?
I did.
I have here on the tablets some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Smith?
I did.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 5-year deferred probation. There would be no fine, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. In the interest of getting that restitution paid.
Thank you. And the restitution ordered in the amount of $3,700. And you would be required to follow all of the other rules and conditions of probation. Is that your understanding?
That's my understanding.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. McEwen is not competent?
No doubt.
Mr. Nichols, what's the state's position on waiving pre-sentence reports?
We would ask the court to waive it. He has essentially 0 criminal history, Your
Okay.
Honor, and we have the restitution amount.
Perfect. So, Mr. McEwen, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of that plea. Going to waive the pre-sentence report, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay restitution in the amount of $3,700 and to follow all of the other rules and conditions of probation. If you do that, then this is an excellent opportunity because you don't have a felony conviction on your record. And if you successfully complete the probation, then at the end, the case is actually dismissed. You'll never have that felony conviction. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, found guilty of the offense, and sent to prison for up to 2 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
That restitution obviously is a lot. I want it started to be paid immediately. I want something every month going towards that. If you get it paid early, there's no reason that you would even have to do the whole probation period. If you take care of everything you're supposed to, your community service and everything else, then you could get off of probation early. But it's very important to me that that restitution get paid. All right. I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed. And so you have waived your right to appeal. If you'll just have a seat here in the courtroom, probation's at that desk right over there. She's going to call you up when she's ready to go over your paperwork.
All right.
All right. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Smith. And Mr. Douglas, you were previously in court in cause numbers 25, DCCR 1115 and 12222. Entered pleas of guilty in each of those cases. I've received the pre-sentence report. Have you both had an opportunity to review that
Yes, Your
report?
Honor. Yeah, yes, Your Honor, the state has.
Any additions or corrections?
Not from the defense. Not from the state.
All right, Mr. Douglas, in each of those cases, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. In cause number 25-1115, defer all proceedings in accordance with your agreement for a term of 5 years. You'll be placed on probation, $500 fine, and be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. And then in cause number 25-1222, also follow that agreement, defer all proceedings, place you on probation for 5 years. You'll be ordered to pay a $500 fine in that case, and also in both cases, obviously follow all of the rules and conditions of probation.
Yes.
If you do that in these cases, this is an excellent opportunity because you don't have felony convictions on your record. And at the end of the probation periods, if you successfully complete the probations, the cases will actually be dismissed. You'll never have a felony conviction. The other side of that in each case is that if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, found guilty in each case, and sent to prison in each case for between 2 years and up to 10 years. Do you understand?
Judge, I would ask, just based on some of the contents of the PSI, that a substance abuse assessment be done, whether to determine if he needs JCDI or something.
Thank you. I will do that. So that you're going to submit to a substance abuse assessment. If that assessment says that you need any kind of treatment, then that will be ordered and you'll be automatically have to do it. You're not going to have to come back to court. I'm saying now you'll have to do it. Also, a condition of your probation is that you're not to have any firearm at all. That's a standard condition of probation. See if there's anything else I want to. All right, so I'm going to hand you in each case the trial court certifications that shows that these were agreements that I followed, and so you waived your right to appeal. If you'll just have a seat here in the courtroom, probation's going to call you up to her desk when she's ready to go over your paperwork.
Yes,
All right, good luck to you, sir.